Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the PRIVAT24 mobile bank app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. PRIVAT24 is a mobile banking app developed by PRIVAT Bank, designed to give users full control of their finances from anywhere. The app offers a wide range of features including balance checks, transaction history, instant money transfers, bill payments, card management, mobile top-ups, and even loan and deposit services. It also supports QR code payments for faster transactions and provides secure login options such as PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate PRIVAT24 for its fast transactions, easy-to-use interface, and wide functionality that often replaces the need to visit a physical bank branch. Many highlight how convenient it is to manage cards, pay bills, and transfer money instantly. The app also gets praise for frequent updates, which help keep it secure and feature-rich. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login issues or app crashes, and international users may find limitations when trying to transfer money abroad. There are also concerns that certain advanced features might be complicated for first-time users, making the learning curve slightly steep. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the PRIVAT24 app may be worth using if you want a fast, secure, and feature-packed banking solution directly on your phone. It shines in convenience, instant transactions, and wide functionality. However, if you need seamless international banking or prefer simpler tools, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.